Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to open Trendmood Volume 6. Also, I learned a trick. Take a very strong, what's that called? Bobby pin, and it can cut tape. You just scissor free. I am so excited. The best thing about Trendmood, it's not a subscription box. You buy a box whenever you feel like buying a box. Also, they spoil literally every single item in the box, so you only buy a box if you want what's in the box. I don't treat Trendmood the way that I treat my subscription boxes. We don't do like a full try on or anything like that. I usually swatch some things and play with some things, but it's not a box that I completely use up right away. I am obsessed with Trendmood. Literally, I feel like they pick some of the best things that are coming out and they put them all in one box. They make it way more affordable for you to get it. And the total for this box was $68. I think I still paid, I don't know if I paid shipping, but I definitely paid tax on it. So it's a little more than $68. Let's start with the first brand, Makeup Eraser. So we got their standard makeup eraser, and I think I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. I have like 10 to 15 of these because I do love them, and I like to always have one ready, but they're reusable. The more exciting thing is that we also got the Sponge by Makeup Eraser, and I have not seen this before, but it can be washed in a washing machine just like the makeup eraser. It is the hardest thing to wash. It really is. Like, compared to all your makeup brushes, your makeup sponge is the hardest to wash. So the fact that this can go in a washing machine is literally blowing my mind right now. Love it when they're different shapes like that. Definitely makes a difference, you know, to do around your concealer area, although you could definitely cut a sponge that is not already the right shape. Then this little guy screws in here and you throw this in your washing machine. This is brilliant. And Makeup Eraser, for those first two products, is a cruelty-free brand. So yes, they are cruelty-free. Next up, we have Lilly lashes. This is their power liner. We'll try that on our hand right now. And these are their faux mink lashes in the style Miami. I love lashes. All lashes. Lashify. You know I've used strip lashes. I've had lash extensions before, so I love lashes. Currently, I'm wearing extensions. They're actually, I have a sponsored video coming up for DIY lash extensions. It's a brand that has at-home DIY lash extensions. These are very cute. They look nice. This looks like good quality. I can tell a good quality lash, and these look very good quality. All right, let's try this liner out. I'm trying to find a liner that I like as much as the KVD tattoo liner. This one's very wet. What the French? Oh my God. Okay, I didn't even know this. I didn't even know this. It's liner that is adhesive, so it attaches your lashes. I didn't even know that. And I was watching the spoilers, but I honestly, like, I'm not gonna lie, this wasn't the spoiler that I was like, oh my God, I have to have that. Eyeliner, lash glue, basically. Oh my God, I'm so excited for that. I cannot wait to try this out. You guys need to follow me on Instagram if you wanna see how well this works, because I don't know if I'm gonna do a whole video on just this, but I will definitely post it in my Instagram product updates. That is so cool. It is super sticky on my hand too. Like, lashes will definitely stick to that. And Lilly Lashes is also a cruelty-free brand, so both of those products are cruelty-free. Next we have Milani, and these are their Fruit Fetish. It is in mango coconut, dragon fruit peach, and strawberry lemonade. Of course, I'm gonna check the back out for wax. Okay, it does have another wax that I avoid, a petroleum-based wax. So I'm gonna probably not use these, even though I want to so bad. Maybe I'll open one of them. I don't like to put petroleum-based waxes on my lips, and most of the time when a product is vegan and contains wax, it does contain a petroleum-based wax instead of a plant-based wax. You know, it's not as scented as I expected. And Milani is Leaping Bunny certified, so that's even better than cruelty-free. It means that the entire supply chain is cruelty-free. Okay, this next item is one of the items that I was like really excited for. I was excited for the makeup eraser sponge that's washable as well, but this was another item I was really excited for. This is the Marc at LASH'd Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. It looks beautiful. Look at the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous. I hope it has a cool wand. It's a small wand, so that would be actually really perfect for lower lashes. So this is definitely something I was really looking forward to. I can't wait to see how it works on my lashes. Marc Jacobs brand is also cruelty-free. Next, I was super excited about this one as well because I love, love, love First Aid Beauty. One of my favorite brands for skincare. This is their Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. This is the little First Aid Beauty guy. Let me pull this seal off. Oh my goodness. I thought this would just like lift right off in it. I shoved it into the container. But you see how it has this like peachy color? So that's gonna cancel out the darkness and blue lines. If you have blue veins or any darkness under your eye, that will help cancel that out. It also has niacinamide in it, super great anti-aging ingredient. And First Aid Beauty is always good for sensitive skin, or at least as far as I've heard. I don't have sensitive skin personally. It seems like they've always been a really good brand for sensitive skin. Look how much I have on my finger right now. We're just gonna put that under our eyes and we're gonna brighten the crap out of our face right now. It looks nice on camera. I don't know what it looks like in person, but I do like that. I already give it at least 1 thumb up. I gotta see it in a mirror before I give it 2 thumbs up, but in the little viewfinder of my camera, it looks really nice. It looks like it is brightening. Love, so excited that I got that. And of course, if First Aid Beauty is one of my favorite brands, that means it's probably cruelty-free. So guess what? It is cruelty-free. We have 1 brand left, and I was very excited about this brand because I don't own anything from this brand, and we got 2 items from the brand. The first is the Nabla Miami Lights Glitter Palette. If you don't know me, there's a rule that if the item has glitter on it, I will love it more. That's just the rule. It's my rule. I made it up, but I will love it more. So if you're gonna get me a spatula with glitter on it. If you're gonna get me a hair tie, get me a hair tie with glitter on it. If you're gonna get me slippers, get me slippers with glitter on it. That's just who I am. So when there was an all glitter palette by a brand I've been wanting to try, that just sold me on this box. And look at how gorgeous this packaging is. It is glass, so you see the pans inside. So gorgeous. The glitter's a little chunky, but with the glitter glue, it should be fine. It's beautiful though. And it's very patriotic. These are extremely patriotic colors. And this is the Nabla Secret palette. Ooh, secret. Let's open this one up. Also gorgeous, a lot of beautiful shimmers, a lot of glitters on here. I'm pretty sure this is a pressed pigment palette, just looking at it. These colors are gorgeous. You can see some of them are pressed pigments. So if you don't normally work with pressed pigments, they take a little bit more work, but they can be very beautiful. This is so exciting. The color story is really nice too. It looks like it has like the color, that's a shimmer, and then a complementary matte. And then it happens here again, it happens here again, it happens here again, and then we have this row that's just kind of, if you want to do a smoky eye, and then this white color here that's just like a beautiful white shimmer. So, so pretty. And Nabla is definitely a cruelty-free brand. So that means the entire Trendmood Volume 6 box is 100% cruelty-free, and we love that on this channel. Okay, I calculated everything out by looking at websites, so I might not have the exact same calculation that Trendmood has, but the total box is $246, and I paid $68. Like, some of these are brand new, like brand stinking new. So not only do you get items first, you get them discounted and great quality items. The only thing for me in this box that I'm not gonna really use are these, and I can definitely gift them because it's personal preference on an ingredient that I just personally don't use. Everything else I'm gonna use and love. That is hard to find in a box. It does sell out very quickly. You have to be on their website like right when they drop it. And you can get an email like that morning that tells you it's coming and tells you like, here's the code to enter, passcode or whatever. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What was your favorite item? What item would you be the most stoked to get? If you got this box, I know that not that many people get it, but if you got this box, let me know that in the comments down below too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.